everyone. Welcome back to my hand of the week. I played this hand a couple of weeks ago at the Denver Tech Center Bridge Club. I was the dealer in the West chair, vulnerable versus not. I opened one club with my 13 points. North overcalled one spade. Partner bid 2 hearts. South passed and I bid 3 hearts. Partner went to 4 hearts. Swish. And my partner gets the 7 of spades lead. Doing an initial analysis from the East hand, because we're in a suit contract, we're going to count losers. And it looks like I have one spade loser, maybe a heart loser, no diamond losers, and probably a club loser. So it appears that we either have 10 or 11. But this hand is ideal for a dummy reversal. The textbook dummy reversal is when you have a 5-3 fit, where you can trump 3 times in the 5-card suit, pulling 2 rounds of trump along the way, and then trumping the 3rd time in the long suit, and then pulling the final trump with the 3-card suit, thus getting 6 trump tricks. Now, the biggest requirement for a dummy reversal is having enough entrees to the short trump hand that you can get there enough times. We need to be able to get there 3 times to trump all of the spades, and then a 4th time to be able to pull the last trump. Now, the thing about dummy reversals is they are very easy to miss. We don't see them because we are so conditioned to getting our extra trump tricks by roughing in the short trump hand. And if we can't do that on this hand, there is no shortness in West. So if we can rough 3 times in the East hand, that'll be 3 trump tricks. And then if we can pull all the trump with the ace, king, and the jack, we'll get 3 more. And we'll have 6 trump tricks. We'll always get 5 diamond tricks and a club for 12 tricks. So with that in mind, the next question is to how to play the trump suit. Now, usually when you're missing 5 to the queen, it is correct to finesse. 8 ever, 9 never. This is actually one of my least favorite expressions in bridge. While it is generally correct to finesse the queen when you're missing 5, it's just barely correct to play for the drop when you're missing 4. So it really should be 8 ever, 9, take your pick. And occasionally, it's not even correct to finesse the queen when you're missing 5. With this hand, it looks very tempting to finesse south for the queen of hearts. The bidding would suggest that we would want to finesse north for the queen of hearts. The problem is that we don't have enough entries to the west hand to finesse north. We would need 5 entries and we only have 4. So if we're going to finesse anybody, it's going to be south. And if you think about it, I could finesse south for the queen of hearts, but unless it's a queen doubleton, it's not going to help because I have to rough 3 rounds of spades, and I know that south is short in spades. And so if they have 3 to the queen, I can finesse them, but then they're going to over-rough my 4th round of spades with their queen of hearts. So I really need south to have the doubleton queen of hearts, which means I should play for the drop, and it will work whenever either north or south has a doubleton queen of hearts. So while that is only about a 35% probability, it's the best we have for making 12 tricks. So we put the 8 of spades on, plays the 9. He switches to the 9 of diamonds, which we let run around to our queen. And now we want to begin the dummy reversal because entries are precious to the west hand and we are there. So let's start by roughing a spade. And now because I'm going to play for the queen of hearts to be doubleton, let's pull some trump by laying down the ace of hearts and a small heart to dummy, and the queen was a doubleton. That's wonderful. And now we can play another spade, rough small. And now we can get back to dummy with the jack of diamonds and play the 4th spade. And we can rough with the 10 of hearts, and south can't over rough because they're out of hearts. And now all I have to do is get back to dummy to pull trump. I do that with the 10 of clubs and lay down the jack of hearts, pulling the last trump. And now a diamond to my hand scores the rest of the tricks for 12 tricks in total. Most dummy reversals that you read about involve this 5-3 fit. And in the textbook cases, trumps always split 3-2, and the dummy reversal gets you an extra trick. Now, I've often wondered what happens when you try a dummy reversal and trumps don't split 3-2. Does trying the dummy reversal cost you a trick when trumps split 4-1? To be addressed in future videos. But for now, thanks all for watching, and see you back here next time.